Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a easy AF ombre, glitter ombre. So this is the set that I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be doing the lazy girl method, kinda sorta. So when I do the glitter part, I am applying base coat first, and then I'm going to apply the glitter, and then I would add clear polygel and adhere that to my nail bed. And then after I'm done with all of that, I am going to add the ombre on top of the lazy girl nail. So right now I'm just showing you what I'm doing. I am just applying the base coat, and then I'm going to add the glitter. So now I'm just dumping the glitter onto the base coat, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and cure that in the lamp first, and then we're going to go ahead and apply the clear polygel. So after applying that clear polygel, you just want to go ahead and evenly distribute that across the whole nail. And then you want to add that to your nail bed, and then cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. I cure for 30 seconds, and then I go back and cure my whole hand once I'm done. But you can cure 60 seconds each. I just try to lower the time that I spend under the UV light, because I don't know exactly what that's doing to my skin or anything like that. And I've been having like skin rash on my hand for a while now. It comes and goes, but I noticed that once I use the UV lamp more, it makes me more bumpy on my hand. So I don't know if that is connected, but yeah, I just rather not have my hand in the lamp for that long. Also, you guys, thank you so much for 730 subscribers. I'm not going to lie, I have been a little discouraged coming into the new year, but I have been still recording videos. I got like 6 videos backed up that I need to drop. So this is one of them. This is actually a video that I did in 2021. In December, I was up, couldn't sleep, and I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do an easy ombre type of set. And then yeah, I just never got a chance to upload it because I was uploading holiday sets. But now I'm uploading, and I absolutely love the glitter that I chose. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This helps us small YouTubers get into the algorithm, so please go ahead and contribute to that. I would appreciate it so much. Also, you guys, there are links in my bio that gives you a discount off on certain items on certain websites. I just wanted to put that out there because I know that there's some people that don't look at my description box, but I do have a coupon code for two different companies. One is for Madam Glam and the other one is for Macart. So go ahead and use those links or those codes in my bio or description box. I mean, you know what I mean, y'all. Anywho, we're just gonna go ahead and apply this glitter and stuff on the rest of the nails, and I'm gonna come back and show you exactly what I do next. So I am going to be using 006, and this is in a Gershon kit that I got off of Amazon. I will find that and link that down below, but I strongly suggest you use a color that matches great with your skin tone, because there is some colors that just don't look right on my skin, you guys, and I know I cannot be the only one. So yeah, make sure that your tones match up or whatever. So I did a poll on my community tab asking if you guys wanted to see medium nails or long nails, and a lot of people wanted to see long nails. So I actually have a couple of small medium nails like short medium nails that I need to upload, but I also just did a video of me transforming my medium set to a extra long coffin set. So I am going to be dropping that because it is a Valentine's Day set. So stay tuned for that one as well. That's just, you know, if you guys don't want to do like a soak off or whatever, I don't be having time to do that. Like, it's very tedious, and I just don't see the need sometimes to do a soak off every time. And I didn't do a peel off coat either. So these nails that I transformed, I basically had them on for weeks. It was actually one of my Christmas sets that I did, and then I just cut them down and did a couple of different sets with those. I did a fill on those, and then I transformed them into an extra long set. So you guys are going to see the different variety of nail sets that I got to complete with just one actual set. So stay tuned for that. Also, don't forget to comment, you guys. I love reading you guys' comments. I comment back to every single one of you, even though sometimes I comment late. I still make sure I comment back to y'all. So please comment if you guys make it this far in the video, and let me know what you guys think of the nail set. And yeah, just keep watching and enjoy the video. I will be popping in for the next couple of sets, so just stay tuned, you guys. So here's what they look like, and I did have to add like a thicker layer of that tan color because it was a little bit more translucent than I thought. But right here I'm just shaping them, and then after this clip, to get rid of the lump between the nail and the ombre, I am going to add Saviland's clear builder gel so that I can just even that out, and then I'll file on top of that so that I won't mess up the ombre. what they look like. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe them off before I file them. So first I am going to go ahead and go in with my 5-in-1, and then after that, off camera, I use my sanding bit. So here are the nails filed and buffed, and now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off the dust, and then we're going to add top coat. I just love the glitter that I used, you guys. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the top coat. It's just so soothing watching your nails go from dusty to clear and crystal clear, especially when you're doing like sets that have glitter or that's clear or anything like that, like anything translucent or anything encapsulated. It just looks so bomb once you apply that top coat on there. So now I'm just adding rhinestone glue, and then I'm just going to add rhinestones to my cuticle area on all of my nails. So here we go. Here are the finished results, and then I'm gonna show you another angle because it wouldn't be a shaenaileditt video without those angles. But first, we have to go ahead and put the cuticle oil, because who wants crusty fingers? Nobody, not me. Here are those angles with better lighting. Okay, period. Let me know what you guys think down below. Also, you guys, stay tuned for the next couple of videos that I'm going to drop. I'm not going to set a date because sometimes my uploads be uploading when they feel like it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.